Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some intriguing findings about the electric vehicle market that might surprise you. A recent study by Automotive has revealed that 76% of young Americans are ready to buy a Chinese EV, despite potential privacy risks. Let's dive into the details. So, what's driving this interest? Well, among the 800 respondents aged 18 to 80, a massive 76% of those under 40 showed a willingness to consider Chinese electric vehicles. However, the overall interest drops to 35% when we look at all age groups combined. This lower number is mainly due to hesitancy among those over 60. One of the key factors fueling this interest is exposure to Chinese EV brands on social media. Younger buyers are increasingly familiar with brands like BYD, Leapmotor, and NIO. Despite privacy concerns, their enthusiasm remains high. Expert. Interestingly, 16% of respondents indicated they would be more likely to purchase a Chinese EV if it were manufactured in the US. They feel it would be more American and beneficial for the local economy. But there's a flip side. All age groups expressed concerns about data security, which was a reason for the recent increase in tariffs on Chinese EVs by the Biden administration. What do you think about the potential of Chinese EVs in the US market? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in the automotive world. See you next time.